Hello everybody, it's me, Wolf, or Galaxy Wolf, versus...
Beast Gaming.
And he has this giant weapon he just got in the spinning wheel and pixel gun, and I'm probably gonna be shredded to death.
Yeah, I'm his friend, and also,
He has his own channel, but he has no videos right now.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to him when his channel's back and when his channel's on. And yeah, let's begin. I do a pull body. No, it's team. Yes, I'm team 2. Oh god, I'm so scared. You have everything. You have every good gadget now. I'm so scared. So scared. Oh my. What's the noise? They're in my eardrums. Sorry about that, guys. This worker's in his house. Oh my god. That's horrible. Oh my god. Dude, what's that noise? It's annoying my viewers. Wait, pause. How do we do the video? Because that sound. Whoa, that scared me. You're weak now. You're weak. I'm not. What? How you beating me, demon? I'm already down. Oh my gosh, that's not fair. No, I will lose. Will lose. Oh, I got you. Got me. You can't get a fly target. Yeah. What? You killed me with that? You serious?
Yeah, I'm killing you with my machine gun.
Wait, you killed me with the other thing. Sorry guys, I won't redo the videos. Just you can shoot up here.
But I can fly up.
I told you.
Yeah, but I can do this.
Oh no! Ah! No! No! Ah! Oh, come here! Come here! No, you changed friends! No! No! Oh, finally! Oh god! Oh my god! It kills air target too. And I get a new weapon too. This is so BS.
But the armor does nothing.
Got you finally. It's so hard. Oh god. Oh, I got a pet. Oh god, this is so horrible. You're using a sniper, serious?
Yeah. Wait, can you just come on?
No, of course not.
Listen, I just need to do something.
No, I don't want you to kill me.
Listen, I'm not going
There you go, you're done. When we're tied up, I will. Wait, what are you doing? Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Get your air targets now. There you go. That one's not that bad. Change your demon form. Oh, DB demons. Which demon? Do ground battle. Do ground battle. Oh god. Oh, what, you kill me with demon kill?
No.
What do we do? Use your gadget. Oh my god, it scared me. Oh my god. Darn it. At one hit, you're dead. No, you get help. You're dead. Well, how much? My line wasn't even there. You want? No, no. You kill me again. Yes. I'm so close to you. But I only won by 1. I lost by 1. So it's not that bad.
Let's do a different one.
Wait, I only have
Dude,
this.
you don't even have it. That's how. Oh, you should buy that.
No, you have the stronger one.
Yeah, but buy that.
No, I want this. Poison. I can get this. This is better.
That's way better. That's what I'm saying.
I can get it.
Then do it.
No, I don't have. Oh, I'm so close.
You can get it.
No, I told you that if I had
210. Oh, $400.
Wait. Hold a sale for $4.
$5.
I can get
And
it.
150 gems.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
And 150.
I'm gonna get
now? Do it.
I don't have the password yet. When I wanna go, I'm begging my dad to do it. You just seriously left the game.
Let's do a different one.
And that's
Dude,
our video.
I have a better
Bye.